Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by collecting essentials: a Google or Apple developer account and a Supercell ID. Sign up now, pay the $25 or $99 fee as required. Once done, link your Supercell ID to your player account so Supercell recognizes you. Make sure you have a company name, contact email, and basic tax details ready. This speeds validation. Also prepare a working APK or IPA demo build. It proves you can deliver. These first steps unlock the application path you'll follow next. You now complete Supercell's application and submit your demo. Fill every form field precisely. Inaccuracies delay approval. Upload the APK/IPA and include a concise changelog, test account credentials, and supported device list. Once uploaded, integrate basic analytics and crash reporting so reviewers can evaluate stability. This demonstrates professionalism and reduces rejection risk. Make sure permissions and privacy disclosures are clear. After submission, monitor the email tied to your Supercell ID for requests. Respond fast and provide logs or screenshots when asked. You finish by addressing review feedback and completing any compliance checks. If Supercell asks for changes, prioritize fixes for crashes, excessive permissions, or missing privacy details. These are the most common rejections. Once fixed, increment your build number and resubmit promptly. Make sure to keep communication professional and factual. Timelines shorten when you provide requested data quickly. Troubleshooting tip: recreate the reported issue locally. Collect device logs and a video, then attach them to your resubmission to prove the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.